Hello my dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Rekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject maths in standard 5th. We will study chapter number 1 Roman numerals. This is part 2 of our video in which we will solve questions from problem set 1. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also to get my recent videos of standard 5th maths. Problem set 1. Question is, write all numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Children, I have explained all rules of writing Roman numerals in my previous video. I have given the link of previous video in the description box. Those who have not seen the previous video, they have to see the video first and then they can solve the questions from problem set 1. So let us solve this first question. We will write all these international numbers one below other 1 to 20 and then we will write them using Roman numerals. As you all can see, I have written the question as it is on my page and then I have written all these international numbers from 1 till 20. Now let us write their Roman numerals. We can write 1, 5 and 10 first. So 1 means I, we all know. So I can write I. 5 means we all know. So for 5 I have written V. For 10 I can write X. Okay. Till this you all can write. Now 2 means we all know. 2I. 2I means 2. Correct. Then 3 means 3I. Yes. So 1 means 1I, 2 means 2I, 3 means 3I. Now 4 means, can we write 4I? No, because I cannot be repeated 4 times. We should not repeat I 4 times. Maximum we can write 3 times. For writing 4, how it should be written? I should be written on the left side of V. So it is 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Then 5 means we all know. 6 means, how to write 6? I. That means 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 7 also we can write I. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 can be written as I. This is 8. Then 9 means, we cannot write I 4 times because I cannot be repeated 4 times, we all know. So after we cannot write I 4 times for writing 9. So how to write 9? We have to write I on the left side of X. X means 10, I means 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. When I is written on the left hand side of bigger value, bigger symbol, then we have to subtract 1 from the value of bigger symbol. This is the rule which we have seen in our previous video. Now 10 means X, we all know. 11 means X, I. 10 plus 1, 11. 12 means X, I. 10 plus 2 means 12. 13 means X, I. 3 times I. That means 13. Then for writing 14, shall I write X, I 4 times? No, I cannot write because I cannot be written 4 times. I should be written only 3 times, maximum 3 times. We cannot write I 4 times. So for writing 14, how we have to think? We have to think it as 10 plus 4. So 10 means X and 4 means V. So 14 means 10 plus 4, always think like this. And then for 10 we have to write X and for 4 we have to write V. Now 15. 15 means 10 plus 5. 10 is X. Now 16 means 10 plus 6. How to write 6? I. 10 plus 6. 10 is X. Vi means 6. 17. X, V, I, I. 10 plus 7, 17. 18 means 10 V I. 10 plus 8, 18. 19, how to think? 10 plus 9. 10 is X and 9 means IX. So in this way this is 19 and 20 means 2x, xx. 10 plus 10 is 20. So in this way we will have to solve this first question. Now let us go on second question. Second question is, write the following numbers using international numerals. We have been given these Roman numerals. We have to write them in international numerals. So let's write. First is V. V means what? We all know it is 5. VII. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Only X is 10. We all know. Then X. I. X means 10 and 3I means 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. XIV. X means 10. IV means 4. Correct? IV is 4, we all know. So 10 plus 4 is 14. X is 10. VI. VI means 6. We all know. When I is written on the right side of bigger symbol, we have to add it. And when I is written on the left side of the bigger symbol, we have to subtract. We have to subtract 1 minus 5. So 5 minus 1, not 1 minus 5. 5 minus 1, it will be 4. 10 plus 4, 14. Here we have to add 5 plus 1, 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Here, this is 10. And VII means 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. And IX is 9. Correct? Because I is written on the left side of bigger symbol. So what we have to do? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So in this way we can write in the international numerals. Question number 3 is, fill in the empty boxes. We have given the numbers in word and we have to write Roman numerals. When the numbers is given in the word, we have to write Roman numerals, and when Roman numerals are given, we have to write the numbers in the word. So let us write. I have written the question as it is on my page. First, the number 3 is given. How to write using Roman numeral? We have to write I 3 times. So that is 3. Now here Roman numeral is given. We have to write the number in word. So VII. V means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. So write in the spelling EIGHT, 8. Now 6 is given in the word. We have to write in the Roman numeral. How to write? 5 plus 1 is 6. So for 5 we use V, for 1 we use I. VI means 6. Now XII. X means 10, I means 1, I means 1. That means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. What is the spelling of 12? TWELVE, 12. Now 15 is given in the word. We have to write in the Roman numeral. How to write 15? That is 10 plus 5. 10 is X. How to write 5? V. So it is 15. Correct? Then XIX. X means 10. IX means 9. 10 plus 9 means 19. So here we have to write 19. So in this way we can complete this question number 3. Now question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. We have given international numbers and we will have to write them using Roman numerals. So let us write. First number is 9. 9, how to write? 10 minus 1. That means 10 should be written on right hand side, 1 should be written on left hand side. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 how to write? 5 minus 4. So 5 should be written on right side and I should be written on left side. That means V on right side, I on left side. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2. 2 means what? 2i. 1 plus 1 is 2. 11. How to write 11? 10 plus 1. xi is 11. How to write 17? 17 means 10 plus 7. I is 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 is x and 7 means I is 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. How to write 18? 10 plus 8. 10 is x. 8 means I. 3 times I. So it is 18. In this way, you have to learn the numbers from 1 to 20 so you can write very easily. Now let us see this last question, question number 5. We will be solving here on the textbook only, but you all will have to solve in your notebook. I will be showing on the textbook. In the table below, each given number is written international numerals and then again in Roman numerals, international numerals and Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put tick in the box under it. If it is not, put wrong and correct it. Okay. So if it is written correctly, we can write tick mark. And if it is not written correctly, we have to put wrong. If it is not accurate, we have to put cross and we have to write it correctly. So let us see. 4. 4 times I is given. Is it accurate? Is it correct? No, it is wrong. So we should write wrong and make it correct. Okay, it is wrong. I will write wrong here. And how to write 4? We all know V is 4. So make the correction. When it is wrong, make it correct. And when it is correct, put the tick mark. Now let us see 6. 6 means VI. 5 plus 1 is 6. So it is correct. So I will put tick mark. Now let us see 8. IIX. We cannot write I 2 times on the left side of X. We all know that. I cannot be written 2 times on the left side of X. So this is wrong. And how to write 8? 8 should be written as V, I, 3 times. That means 5 plus 3 is 8. Now let us see 16. Is it written correctly? See whether it is written accurately. 16. X means 10. VI means 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So it is correct. Now let us see 15. Whether it is written accurately. V. Is it 15? V cannot be repeated. We have seen it in the rule in our previous video. So we cannot be written repetitively. V should be written one time only. Okay, we cannot write V repetitively. That means this is wrong. How to write 15? 15 means 10 plus 5. For 10 we write X. For 5 we write V. So in this way you have to write in your notebook. Make the table like this and write in the notebook. So we have completed our problem set here. We will see something more. What is something more? L, C, D and M are also used as Roman numerals. Roman numerals I means 1, V is 5, X is 10, L means 50. For 50 numeral or symbol, L is used in Roman numerals. For 100, symbol C is used in Roman numerals. For 500, symbol D is used in Roman numerals. And for 1000, symbol M is used in Roman numerals. So in this way, we will have to memorize the Roman numerals. Now see children, decimal system of writing numbers I am going to read here, and I will explain. It is not easy to read or write the numbers using Roman numerals. Till 20 we have learned, and we could see that it has little difficult to write the numbers in Roman numerals. It also makes calculation difficult, correct na? Writing 1 plus 2 in international number becomes very easy instead of writing in Roman numerals. So you have learned to write numbers using 10 digits, 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the international numbers. In that system, the value of digit depends upon its place in the number. This system of writing the number is called decimal system. Mathematicians of ancient India invented the decimal system of writing numbers and began to use it. Later, this system was accepted in all parts of world because it was simple and convenient. So this simple and convenient system is being used, and it is invented by Indian mathematician. We should be proud of it. So now onwards from second chapter, we will be using international number and decimal system of mathematics. Our practice problem set 1 ends here. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.